Krishna, good morning and welcome all of you all for our Sunday morning Bhagavad Gita class. So we are in the midst of the 6th chapter. We have completed 6.39 and 40, but we'll take a fast recap because of a gap of 2 weeks. So I'm sure we are Kali Yuga people, we have a loss of memory, we forget things. So let me see how much everyone remembers. Yes, what do you remember we have done?
Arjuna is asking that what will be the destination of a devotee who is firm in his path, but gets
Deviated. So actually Krishna is not asking for himself, he is asking for us. He's saying it's better, what happened, what will happen, पूरा मेहनत जो किया उसने, भक्ति करना बोला तो it's not an easy job, it's a tough task. It is a tough task in the sense, lot of rules have to be followed, काफ़ी नियमों का पालन करना पड़ेगा, दारू छोड़ना पड़ेगा, नॉनवेज छोड़ना पड़ेगा. कोई लोग एक्चुअली एक बार है ना, once one person came and fell at the feet of a sadhu and बोला महाराज आपको प्रणाम, सतकोटि प्रणाम, आप आशीर्वाद. बोला क्यों? आप इतने बड़े त्यागी, आपने संसार को त्याग दिया, मोह माया त्याग दिया, पैसे को त्याग दिया, सब त्याग दिया और अपने भगवान को अपना लिया और सब कुछ त्याग. बोला मैं थोड़ी त्यागी हूँ, त्यागी तो तू है. साधु ने ऐसा बोला, समझा नहीं इसको. बोला महाराज आप ऐसे क्यों बोलो, सीधी बात है ना, तूने ये सब के लिए भगवान को त्याग दिया. तूने ये सब के लिए भगवान को त्याग दिया तो कौन बड़ा त्यागी? सीधी बात है ना, भगवान को त्याग रहा है. क्यों? कुछ भौतिक सुख के लिए. फॉर सम मटेरियल टेम्पररी मटेरियल प्लेजर्स people are ready to renounce God, but that is a tragedy with us. We all should not renounce God for material things, rather renounce material things for the sake of God. So कोई बोलते हैं नहीं भक्ति मार्ग में आऊँगा, I'll have to stop drinking, I'll have to stop eating non-veg, stop doing illicit sex and gambling and all that thing. It's better I renounce this only. I better be happy in my material world. Mind you, there is nothing called happiness in the material world. But happiness के नाम पे जो हम लोग दौड़ रहे हैं ना, crazy run what we do day in and day out. We are running in a crazy war, race. It's a war against God. We have a war against God. Because whatever you do wrong, the consciousness pricks you. When you're going to eat, when you're going to drink, and by chance, you see a spiritual man going in front of you. You remember, hey, I'm not supposed to drink. But then there's a war in the mind. And finally, the mind wins. Definitely. So the mind convinced, see, wow, he has no goal in life. You have got goal in life. But it actually is the reverse. But what does the mind say? वो क्या है, काम धंधा तो है ही नहीं, करना तो है ही नहीं, टेंशन नहीं है, बॉस का टेंशन नहीं, ऑफिस का टेंशन नहीं, and business ka tension. So what will you? You have no tension, so it doesn't. But you got so much of tension, so many things you have to endure, so many things you have to suffer. So we need to relieve out our tension by this. So this is what happens when when it comes to approaching a spiritual life. So that is the reason why Arjuna is asking this specific question. चलो किसी ने सब कुछ त्याग दिया, गलत चीजें त्याग दी, इंद्रिय तृप्ति की वस्तु objects of sense gratification, one renounces. After that, what's the next? What will happen? If he is incomplete in his devotion and he passes away, what will happen? What will happen if his life ends and उसका भक्ति भी अधूरा रह गया? And adhura bhakti है ना, very dangerous. Just imagine someone tries to do CA, gives a couple of attempts. उस व्यक्ति को जाके पूछना उस दर्द का एहसास क्या. Couple of CA attempts he gives or medical attempts, whatever you call it. And then after coming to the last final group and this and that, all the jugglery, money, time, energy, everything pumped in, he doesn't clear. And finally gets frustrated. तो इसके लिए ना बहुत जने अपने क्वालिफिकेशन भी लिखेंगे, इंटर क्लियर, ये क्लियर, वो क्लियर, राइट ना? हाँ, फर्स्ट ग्रुप क्लियर, बिकॉज एक उम्मीद है. पर वन ऑफ माई कजिन वाज देयर. When I was in my college days, in school days, he started applying for CS. One of my cousins, he applied. Couple of times after writing the exam, he got so exhausted. He went to Kashmir for a vacation. Finally, I got married. I went with my wife to meet him in Chennai. He was writing exam. CS exam. My wife said, "Abhi likhna nahi." I said, "From my college time, before I could enter college, he is writing CS exam." Okay, very good. So he was writing with a hope that one day he will clear the CS, not CS, CS, company secretary. So finally, my kids are around 5 years and 7 years. We went again to meet them. He was writing. I wondered, so much patience he has got. I mean, how many times or how many years can you read the same book? Syllabus doesn't change much, except for the few laws and clause. The matter remains the same. Then, great. By the time his son came to SSC, he was still writing. Now he's retired, okay? He's retired, staying in some old age home in near Bangalore or somewhere. But the point what I'm trying to say is, now if I go and I don't ask him, but if I go and ask him how you feel, whole life you spent a big chunk of your life studying and writing the exam, and finally you didn't clear. How do you feel? वो आदमी को दर्द मालूम. I don't know how many of you have undergone this pain. So that's a different pain you cannot express. Similarly, Arjuna is asking if someone is not completing his devotion, उसका भक्ति अगर पूरा नहीं करता है तो उस व्यक्ति अंतिम क्षण में ना घर का ना घाट का, ना में भौतिक चीजें एंजॉय की और उसके पहले मृत्यु खत्म, मतलब मृत्यु आ गई, एंड neither did I complete my spiritual. But now what will happen to me? So let's start with the read verse number 29, please. Translation, read. Sorry. Huh? How gaya tha? But I want to start from 39. Yeah. At the end of this chapter. 6.39. Please read.
This is my doubt, O Krishna, and I ask you to dispel it completely. But for you, no one is to be found who can destroy this doubt.
So he is asking Arjuna, please dispel Arjuna is asking Krishna, please dispel this doubt. Why this doubt is important, I am again and again sticking to that, is please understand the gravity of it. It's a grave problem. It may happen to all of us or many of us. कि भाई भक्ति तो कोशिश किया, हर संडे आए, दारू छोड़ा, नॉनवेज छोड़ा, सब छोड़ा, मगर भक्ति पूरा कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाए. Now what is भक्ति पूरा कंप्लीट न कर पाना? Before we understand, we go ahead. What is this incompletion of devotion? I want you to explain me. What is this incompletion of devotion? कभी तो ये आंसर एप्लीकेबल होगा. यहाँ सब लोग तो सोच रहे हैं भाई मैं तो 8 माला करता हूँ, 10 माला करता हूँ, कोई गलती से 16 माला भी कर देता है. So Prabhuji, I get up once in a while. I come for Mangala Aarti also. Stay up to Guru Puja and go eat lots and lots of prasad. Then, when will you call your devotion as complete? Yes, this is a point of completion, or we are on the path of completion. When will you call that? Then only our question of Arjuna stands in its place. Yes. Yes, Shiv Prabhu.
Detachment from material.
Detached from material things.
Complete detachment.
Complete. What is that? Complete detachment. Please expand on that.
surrender towards God, only God, to save any kind of.
When I am saying expand detachment, you are saying surrender to God. Okay, fine. Now, what is surrender to God? How do we see? My question is not just to make put you all in a loop of questions. My question is very clear, or we should have a clear understanding. What do we understand? Yes, we are out of material world and we are situated in a process of complete devotion, or by the end of our life, we know for sure our devotion will be complete, or point is almost complete. और क्या ना करने से या क्या करने से हमारी भक्ति अधूरी रह जाएगी. We have to do our daily duties also. If you are going to office, you are working somewhere, you are a businessman, you are a teacher, you are a doctor, whatever your profession may be. Secondly, whatever profession you are following, fine. Whatever duties you have to do as a mother, as a father, as a husband, as a wife, as a mother-in-law, as a daughter-in-law, whatever your duties are, even that you have to fulfill. Then at what point, or by doing what, you will know you justify this also as well as devotion, as well as material life. Because doing your duties is also a part of material life, right? Praveen, am I right? So, how do you understand that? Yes, Raj Prabhu, be fast. Time is slipping.
Your question was at what point of devotion?
How do we realize that our devotion is in the right path? Then only this question will be applicable. Yeah, because for a true transcendentalist.
Okay.
So who is a true transcendentalist, and at what point अगर वो रास्ते पे है and उसका वो रास्ते पे चलते वक्त अगर उसकी मृत्यु हो गई या उसकी आयु पूरी होगी, then he may say, yes, I could not complete my devotion. I may concoct my own process or my own ideology and philosophy, and then वो complete होगा नहीं होगा उसका क्या guarantee? बराबर माता जी? Am I making sense? Is this question making sense? Yes. So I want you all to please enlighten me.
So you said I'm doing a devotion service, whether I'm doing on the right path or not, which indicates if I'm in the satsang and associated with the devotee.
I mentioned 5 things. Okay, you are doing Mangala Arati, you are chanting your rounds, you are coming to class, you are having lots of prasadam, based fundamental things, which is generally highlighted everywhere. Is that the completion of devotion?
See, you can ask spiritual master if you are going in the right path or not. If you are following everything properly.
Okay, fine. And what else? What more?
We can if we follow the 9 now the other bhakti के path follow करते हैं.
ठीक है. तो इसका जो श्रवणम कर रहे हो, सत्संग में कीर्तनम कर रहे हो, विष्णु स्मरणम कर रहे हो, पाद सेवनम कर रहे हो, अर्चनम वंदनम दास्यम साख्यम आत्मनिवेदनम सब कर लिया. Everyone here says, I am a surrendered soul to God. है ना? Dipali, you say, surrendered soul to God. Then how do we understand? Fast.
डिटैचमेंट होता है अगर भगवान से फिर ज्यादा काम करने जा रहे
भगवान से डिटैचमेंट.
भगवान से डिटैच मतलब आप किसी का खून कर रहे हो, किसी का गलत कर रहे हो, कुछ भी मतलब रॉन्ग चीज कर रहे हो.
डिवोटी कैसा करेगा वो? डिवोटी है तो ये पाथ में चलने वाला व्यक्ति वो सब सोचेगा ही नहीं ना.
कोई ड्रिंक कर रहे हो या और कुछ गलत
नहीं करेगा ना. वो 4 नियमों का पालन कर रहे हैं ना, वही व्यक्ति भक्त है ना. कोई ऐरा गहरा ना तू कह रहा तो हो नहीं सकता. One who is already following the path, even leaves his
own principle.
Prabhu, please understand, what we are doing is Vaidhiya Bhakti. Vaidhiya Bhakti means that which has been defined as per the teacher, as per our Shastra. सुबह उठना है, नहाना है, then you have to chant your rounds, do your offering to God, have an altar, do the worship in the altar, give your offering. These are all comes under Vaidhiya Bhakti. Eat prasadam, offer tulsi lagao, ting 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 ting. Then after some time go and take that. Everything is Vaidhiya Bhakti. When you transcend from Vaidya Bhakti to Raganuraga Bhakti, then you are in the process of the right diversion and right devotion to achieve. Now, what is Raganuraga Bhakti? For which you don't have to be told separately. You don't have to keep telling everyone, hey, I'm doing 16 rounds. I'm doing 16 rounds. And I get up early in the morning. मैं मंगला आरती को आ जाता हूँ, मैं ये करता हूँ, वो करता हूँ. You don't have to say. This comes sporadically. It's simultaneous. आपके मन में वो भक्ति अपने आप आ रही है. By detachment. You don't have to specially detach. The minute you see a fruit, today evening I will offer this fruit to God. When हमारा अभी क्या मन है? This fruit I have to eat. God, stamp it. We give it to God for? Okay, approved, quality of tick. So this is what is the difference. I always say, हरिदास ठाकुर क्या करते थे? 56 भोग रोज बना देते, और रोज सब 56 भोग भगवान को ऑफर करते थे, सारे साधु संतों को खिलाते थे. उसके बाद जाके जमुना में जाके मछलियों को खिलाते थे, और खुद क्या खाते थे? लिट्टी, आटे का लिट्टी बनाते थे, भगवान को ऑफर करते थे. भगवान को ऑफर भी नहीं करते थे. इट वॉज अ वेरी फनी मेथड किया है. भगवान के सामने है ना, उसका नजर नहीं लगना चाहिए के लिए भलाइयाँ निकालते थे. ऐसा दो और ऐसे, ये 4 लिट्टी लियो ना, वही जमुना के पानी में डुबो के उसी को खा ले. इतना 56 भोग बनाए मगर कभी उसमें से स्वाद नहीं करते. क्यों? दैट वॉज फॉर गॉड्स प्लेजर, नॉट फॉर हिज प्लेजर. People do devotion for the pleasure of theirs, not for the pleasure of God. That is what is more important. So here, this is a trick. Please remember, the day you will start doing things for God sporadically. No, mother is not need to be taught. A child will come from school, he'll be hungry. You have to love him, you have to give him food, you have to cook food for him. The mother need not be trained. It comes from the heart. No, it's like spontaneously it comes. The minute child comes, mommy asks, you're hungry? Okay, we'll have after 5 hours. No. Child says, I'm hungry. Immediately the mommy goes to the kitchen, starts cooking this, that, whatever the child likes, and he gives. That is Raganuraga, love. But we want to develop that towards God. But हमारा भगवान के प्रति राग अनुराग भक्ति है ही. And that is where is a stage when you can say you are a true transcendentalist. You are truly in devotional path. अब सही में आप भक्ति मार्ग में हो और भगवान को पाने का चाह आपके अंदर है. नहीं तो बाकी भक्ति का तामझाम रहेगा. ऑल द शो मैं महंगा वाला भगवान के लिए प्लेट लेके आया, मैं महंगा वाला ड्रेस लेके आया, श्रृंगार मैंने बहुत अच्छा किया. फाइन, अच्छी बात, करो. आई एम नॉट, इट्स नथिंग रॉन्ग, एब्सोल्युटली नॉट रॉन्ग. बट first and foremost, one should develop spontaneous love for God, and the day you develop it, you think you can consider yourself on the right path where your destination is going to be Vaikuntha, Goloka, Saket Dham, whatever you call it. वहां जाने का आप मार्ग में हो. नहीं तो ठीक है, ये जो कर रहे हो ये भी नुकसान नहीं, ये भी फायदेमंद. कम से कम इससे आप पाप तो कम से कम बढ़ा नहीं रहे हो जीवन में. कम से कम आप जाके अच्छा किसी संडे है कहीं बैठ के शराब तो नहीं पी रहे हो, कहीं नॉनवेज तो नहीं खा रहे हो, कहीं आप गलत व्यभिचार तो नहीं कर रहे हो, गलत चीज नहीं कर रहे हो. एटलीस्ट यू डोंट इंकर कार्मिक रिएक्शंस. बट दैट इज नॉट द ऑल इन ऑल. If you want to go into the actual realm or taste that, what do you say, the real beauty of devotion, you got to enter into Raga Anuraga Bhakti. And Raga Anuraga Bhakti means 24 hours it's like a boy and a girl, or rather a mother and a child. Mother is sitting in the office, the child is in the school, but mother, while doing her work also, will remember, my child, it's 11 o'clock, might be it's recess time, my child will be having food, my child will be eating it. I don't know I made the sabji correctly or not, whether it's too tikha or it's very meetha or less of salt, what it is. Wondering. This is Raga Anuraga. where you are always concerned whether I have given the tiffin, but is the tiffin right? Is my child relishing it, or is it having some drawbacks? Will it be enough? कहीं उसका फ्रेंड्स गिरा तो नहीं दे, कहीं उसका फ्रेंड्स से वैसे खा लेंगे, उसको कहीं कम ना हो जाए. That's the concern the mother has. Sitting somewhere in the office, the child is somewhere in the school. Then in the evening when she comes, when I'll go home, I don't know, I have to cook something nice for my child. That's that consciousness that I have to do everything for my child. Have we developed that consciousness that we have to do something for God? We want to serve God, we want to serve Lord's instructions, we want to follow Lord's instructions. The day we achieve that, guaranteed, that person in that process, if he misses out the bus, if he misses out the destination, what is written in the Bhagavad Gita is for that person. See, fail होना में भी कैटेगरी होती है. एक फर्स्ट एटिकेटी वाले ना, ये जमात में गिने जाते नहीं. The biggest confusion है एटिकेटी वाले. Hello, teachers also look at you एटिकेटी वाले. I don't know about today's days, but our days I'm telling you, like I still remember. Second year I got one etiquette. I didn't know whether I should be proud about it or should be sad about it. Few friends, अरे वाह, etiquette ही मिला. हम लोग तो fail हो गए. I felt very nice. And those who passed, etiquette ही मिला. They looked down upon me. So that is also category of failure. But then कोई 34, 33, 30 to 34 के बीच का वाला कैटेगरी, एंड उनको भी थोड़ा कम लगता है. अगर कुछ 5 मार्क्स मिल जाता था तो रोल ओवर हो जाते थे, कम से कम रेड लाइन तो नहीं आता. तो उसके बाद नीचे एक कैटेगरी आता है, वो आता है 25, 27. होप्स कम रहते हैं उनके, और उससे भी जो कम आते हैं वो खुश रहते हैं, निर्मल आनंद में रहते हैं. हाँ, इतना मिला ये मेरे भाई. Like they feel that itself is a great thing, obligation they have done on the professor. इतना मार्क्स का पढ़ लेके आया, 10 मार्क्स का पढ़ के आया, कितना बड़ा obligation किया. Similarly, in failure in devotion also lies in various categories. So this category which is I am talking of is for those who fail in Raga Anuraga Bhakti. We just initiated. One was achieved Raga Anuraga Bhakti, for him there is no problem. But who is in the process of transferring from Vaidya Bhakti to Raga Anuraga Bhakti, uske dauran, during that time period, if someone misses the bus, for him the benefits are very nice. So, in verse number 40, Sri Bhagavan Vacha, Parthaneva na amritam vinash tasya vidyate nahi kalyanakrit kaschit durgam tatra gacchati. Lord is saying, एक बार याद रखना अर्जुना, जो थोड़ा कुछ अच्छा कार्य करेगा, अच्छा मीन्स देयर इज ओनली वन अच्छा कार्य एंड दैट इज भक्ति. वो अच्छा कार्य किसके लिए है? शरीर के लिए नहीं है, आत्मा के लिए. एंड यू एंड आई, वी आर ऑल souls, we are not bodies. So for him there is never a loss. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, O son of Parth, a transcendentalist engaged in his auspicious activities does not meet with destruction, neither in this world nor in the spiritual world. One who does good, my friend, is never overcome by. कभी जो भी अच्छा कार्य करता है, भक्ति जैसा अच्छा कार्य करता है, उसका कभी नुकसान नहीं होगा. अब भक्ति से भागने के लिए, लाइक नेक्स्ट वीक सम ऑफ यू ऑल मे थिंक एवरी संडे, नो, नेक्स्ट संडे आई विल गो फॉर अ मूवी. एक अलाउड ना टू स्किप. आई कैन स्किप वन संडे, गो फॉर अ नाइट, क्योंकि मॉर्निंग सत्संग है. एंड देन नेक्स्ट संडे आ जाऊंगी. उस दिन 16 के 18 वाला कर दूँ. But I'll go for a movie, or I'll go for an outing, or I'll go for here, or I'll go for that. Mind you, duality will never pay back. If many people want to keep one leg in the spiritual boat and one leg in the material boat. उनका ना घर का ना घाट का. क्यों? The material boat goes its way, the spiritual boat goes its way, and you got both your leg in both the boats. one in this and one in that. So any one place, one time or the other, you have to fall in the water. That is for sure. So don't try to amalgamate both. मैं थोड़ा like morning 6 to 12 I am spiritual. 2 to 5 I am non-spiritual. And then again in the evening I become spiritual or I become material, whatever it is. Don't oscillate. Arjuna was doing all his activities. He was even fighting the war. But at that time also, he was conscious of his duties as a Kshatriya. His duties towards God. He was never had forsaken that. He had always focused on that. And that is what we got to inculcate from a true devotee like Arjuna. So, now I'll come to the main today's sloka. प्राप्य पुण्यलोक कृतम लोकान अस्तित्व. Where is my? Anyone has specs? Proper specs. Plus number किसी का है? Reading. हाँ ठीक है. Okay, fine. Let's read the translation. I am not able to read the sloka. Okay, read the translation loud and clear. Please read the translation.
The unsuccessful yogi, after many years of enjoyment on the planets of the pious living entities, is born into a family of righteous people or into a family of rich aristocracy.
अभी सुनो, जो भक्ति में गिर गए और भैया भक्ति इनका अधूरा रह गया, उनका बेनिफिट्स भगवान बोल रहे हैं. First is the unsuccessful yogi, after many years of enjoyment on the planet of the pious living entities. स्वर्ग, हायर प्लैनेट्स, जहां पे देयर इज years of enjoyment. हमारा शास्त्र पहला बेसिक शास्त्र क्या सिखाता है? अच्छा करो स्वर्ग में जाओ, एंड बुरा करोगे फेवरेट प्लेस. we may skip heaven but we never skip hell. So our favorite destination. So भगवान ने क्या बोला है कि भाई, शास्त्र क्या कहता है कि भाई पुण्य करो ताकि आप स्वर्ग में जा सको. बट हमको पता है स्वर्ग इज नॉट अ परमानेंट एंटिटी. जितना पुण्य है वहीं स्वर्ग में वापस नीचे आना है. बट यहां पे क्या लिखा है? years ऑफ एंजॉयमेंट. स्वर्ग में भी एंजॉयमेंट, यहां पे भक्ति में फेल होने वाले को एंजॉयमेंट. वहां पे जो पुण्य करके पास हो जाता है उसको एंजॉयमेंट मिलता है स्वर्ग में. वो भी लिमिटेड, जितना किया उतना कोटा. यहां अनलिमिटेड कोटा. सोचो फायदे भक्ति के. You have to see the positive side. This is a win-win situation in devotion, in any way. आधा अधूरा किया तो भी फायदा, कच्चा नींबू पक्का नींबू जो भी किया सब फायदा. You are all a win-win situation. So, a successful yogi, after many years of enjoyment on the planets of the pious living beings, is born in a family of righteous people or into a family of rich and aristocrat. अब समझ में आया why we didn't get rich families? बड़ा घराने में हमारा जन्म क्यों नहीं हुआ? भक्ति नहीं किया होता है. जन्म में किया होता तो मिला रहता. सो उठ के डब्बा लेके भागना पड़ता है काम पे, है ना? वो नहीं जाता है. See why is given this? There is a reason behind it. You don't what do you say? Please understand, there is a reason behind it. Why Lord gives birth in a rich and aristocratic family or in a house of, what is it? Righteous people. मतलब अच्छे खानदानी लोग, ब्राह्मण लोग, खानदानी लोग. उस कुल में क्यों जन्म मिलता है? आपको टाइम वेस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. फ्रॉम द डे यू स्टार्ट यू आर गेटिंग पॉजिटिव इम्पेटस. भक्ति के लिए पोषण मिल रहा है. अब कैसा हो रहा है? कई लोगों को कुछ गलत चीज करके आके छोड़ के, मतलब देयर इज अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. उसमें टाइम जा रहा है. You're losing time in transformation. There you don't have to lose any time in transformation. Ready made. सब्जी से खाना बनने तक takes 45 minutes average. यहाँ पर आपको रेडीमेड 10 मिनट में स्विगी ला के दे. हमारा वही मेंटालिटी है ना, अभी 10 मिनट में आ रहे हैं. 10 मिनट में घर में नहीं बन सकता ला. How can someone give you in 10 minutes when your mother cannot cook, you yourself cannot cook in 10 minutes? That means it has been pre-cooked, just heated and given to you. Similarly, here you have to understand everything is pre-done for you, and it is ideally set for you to start devotion. Just imagine. My brother was working in the airport. He used to say, our Indian Air Force airplanes are always ready. Ready to the extent, the fuel is filled and it is ignited. It just takes less than a minute for the planes to take off. They have to only go to the runway, that's it. That's so ready. At any given time, it's ready. For Air Force ready. That means what? They can just, ऐसा नहीं, अरे अभी डालना है, अभी तेल डालना है, अम्यूनिशंस लोड करना है, अरे अभी तो रनवे तक लेके जाना है, उन्हें अभी पायलट सो रहा है, उसको जगाना है. It's ready. The minute they get the signal, the radar gives an information, the plane takes off to hit the target. Similarly, here Lord is so merciful. First and foremost, you enjoy. Ja. स्वर्ग में enjoy कर. Sai Krishna Prabhu will be enjoying in heaven for long time. Why the word long time is very specific? In punya gained people, for those who have gained punyas, जितना पुण्य है उतना ही मिलेगा. मतलब किसी को 1-2 मिनट का भी हो सकता है. 1-2 मिनट हो गया, अभी तो एंट्री किया. हाँ क्या करें, इतने पुण्य था. अरे नरक में तो 2 घंटा बैठा है सर. उतना पाप किया, उसके हिसाब से आपको मिलेगा यार. 2 मिनट में हो गया, जाओ. जाना किधर? वापस कम बैक टू द अर्थ. स्टार्ट है अकाउंट फ्रॉम 0. बट when it comes to God's mercy, because you have done devotion in this birth, unlimited, your choice. You enjoy, and after that, you will be given birth in, first and foremost, no animal kingdom. No animal birth. You don't have to start from monkey, donkey, cockroach. No, कोई भी उस योनि में जाने की जरूरत नहीं. Directly you are getting a human. Second, that too a righteous and a religious family. So आपको बेस रेडी है. ऐसा नहीं वापस आप किसी शेख के घर पे पैदा हो, बहुत सारा तेल है, बहुत पैसा है, बट भक्ति नहीं है. Oh, that's a loss. That's a total loss. And that happens for only those who are trying to do with the play with the law of karma. Does anyone know there is one prince in one of the Gulf countries who is sleeping for the past 20 years. Now you call him lucky or unlucky? He is 36 now. At the age of 20, 16 years. At the age of 20, he met with a car accident. He met with a car accident. From that time, he is on ventilator, on life support systems, and nicely kept in a coma state with all life support system, and they can afford money. It's not a problem. And he's termed as Sleeping Prince. He's got a real name, but he's nicknamed as Sleeping Prince. And he's sleeping. He's not aware whether he is the prince, what he is, nothing. So you call this a blessing or you call this a curse? Somebody may say, who doesn't have food arrest? नली से खाना जा रहा है, ये जा रहा है, that is good. Remember this. That is why enjoyment authorized by God is better than enjoyment as per your whims. When we choose our enjoyment, अमीर घर पे पैदा कर देना, ठीक है? तथास्तु, जा. Sleeping Prince, go. Go, become a Sleeping Prince. I have kept your word. तूने क्या बोला?
अमीर घर
दिया ना भक्ति ना कुछ संस्कार कुछ नहीं, बस
चाय वाले क्या कह रहे हैं?
हाँ
ये चाय वाला बन रहा है।
हाँ. So the bottom line is, we have to understand that Lord is very merciful. For little of devotion what you do, Lord says in the Varaha Puran, he says, I don't want to be kritagya, I don't want to be indebted to anyone who has chanted my holy name. जिसने मेरा नाम लिया हो उसको उसका मैं कृतज्ञ नहीं रहना चाहता हूं. I don't want to be indebted. Please take. It's like generally a person works for, let's say, 8 hours or 10 hours a day, and the company in the end says, so what you have done, this is your duty, you're getting paid for that. No, that's a corporate dialogue or a corporate language. What you are doing, so great, that's what is, you're supposed to work like this, we are paying you for this, you're getting paid for this and that. But that's not the dialogue with God. Even for little devotion, Lord is merciful. Take your vacation in heaven, unlimited. No counts will be kept. And after that, giving birth in rich and aristocratic family or in righteous family. फायदा क्या है? बचपन से भक्ति, बचपन से सत्संग, बचपन से घर पे संस्कार अच्छे. And last but not the least, you don't have to worry for the next meal. यहाँ पे how many people can say, oh Prabhuji, tomorrow I'll give a resignation and sit home and do devotion? Anybody can take call? ठीक है, 1 महीना, 2 महीना, तीसरा महीना आएगा कहाँ से? I will have to work. I cannot sit in the house. Whereas this person can take ample rest. Because when you get time, then only you will get time to read the scriptures. When you will get time to read the scriptures? When you have time. अगर आपके पास भक्ति ना हो, so उठ के that to suppose when I used to go for my factory, I used to remember जितने भी सेंट्रल में रहते हैं ना लोग, उनका काम वेस्टर्न लाइन में, और जितने भी वेस्टर्न वाले हैं उनका काम सेंट्रल में, एंड दादर स्टेशन में भागते आज वो भी भाग रहा है, ये भी भाग. भगवान का इजीली गिवन, सेंट्रल वाले को सेंट्रल में, वेस्टर्न वाले को वेस्टर्न में, रनिंग. तो दोनों साइड, एंड इवनिंग ऑल्सो सेम स्टोरी, क्रॉसिंग ईच अदर, रनिंग हियर एंड देयर. अभी 2 क्रॉसिंग पॉइंट्स हो गए, एक मेट्रो और एक, पहले एक ही क्रॉसिंग पॉइंट था दादर ही, अभी 2 क्रॉसिंग पॉइंट्स. द पॉइंट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज, सच ए पर्सन, हाँ गाड़ी पकड़ना, घर पे जाना है, अच्छा डोंट थिंक ना द गोज कमिंग बाय कार ही इज लकी. Believe it or not, I'll tell you a story of a devotee, my god sister. She was a god sister. They are into some business. So she was coming from city to, she was going to Goregaon, and the jam was so horrible that suddenly in the evening at around 8 o'clock, someone rang my bell and went out, and I saw this Mataji was there. Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Hare Krishna. I mean, I was shocked. I mean, there was no invitation or I was just wondering why this lady is standing. I said, Prabhuji, can I come in? Yes, please come. And luckily my wife was there. She asked my wife, can I use your washroom? Please. She went inside. Then she's coming and telling, for the past 5 hours, I'm coming from city to sing. It will take for me to reach Goregaon another 2 hours. I can't control myself, that's why I came here. Good, fine. So, point is, people going from cars also from bumper to bumper are not in a happy situation. They are also in a equally horrible situation. This is Dukhalaya. No one can be happy and pleasant. अगर हो जाएगा सब लोग, अच्छा ये दुख में भी लोग इस धरती को छोड़ने को तैयार. The best part is that सब परेशान, कोई ना कोई परेशान, कोई नौकरी से परेशान, कोई बॉस से परेशान, कोई पति से परेशान, कोई पत्नी से परेशान, कोई इससे परेशान, उससे परेशान, बट छोड़ेगा, मैं छोड़ेगा, मैं इसको सुधारूंगा, इसको छोड़ दूंगा एक बार, वो धरती नहीं छोड़ूंगा. That's the mentality of humans, and that is the problem, because life after life, birth after birth, this is what has been implanted in our minds, that we will not leave this world. Though it's a horrible place. Another half an hour, Prabhuji, AC is very cold. Band karo. and after 10 minutes, कुछ बहुत गर्म लग रहा है. Right? At what point are you happy? Outside people are thinking, inside people are very happy. They are sitting in nice cool weather. Inside people are thinking, अरे यार ठंडी लग रही है, see is moving around. There is no happiness in any quarter or any way. Only the same old matter which is there. Puna charvita charvanam, as Prahlad Maharaj says. We are taking the same air, same sun, same moon, same light, same water, same which is circulating from ages to millions and trillions of years. The same thing we are using, and we are considering, no, it's very nice. I will not leave this material world. But actually, the purpose of giving all this dukkha is to make a realization, Baba, this is not a place, enjoyable place, get out from it. But हमारा plans फिर भी in the corner of the heart क्या रहता है? कभी ना कभी तो मैं सुखी हो जाऊंगा, कभी ना कभी तो हो जाऊंगा. अरे यार दांत गिर गए, बाल झड़ गए, सफेद हो गए, फिर भी उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम, उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम. क्यों? Why is this? इतना समझ में क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? Because inherently we know we are a soul, and soul never dies. The soul never dies. That's why this propensity is there. You see old people, they will go to office and earn money. They have got this propensity. Many business people you see old, 75 plus, having n number of health issues, ailments, but still they will be going to office. Why? मालूम है लेके नहीं जा सकते. मेरा बिल्डिंग में है, अदर विंग में एक आदमी था. आस्क्ड, अंकल आप जाते क्यों? हो गया ना अभी, योर 80, छोड़. नहीं, बेटे को सपोर्ट देना चाहिए. बेटा खुद 60 है. बेटा खुद 60 का है. बोलते नहीं बेटा, आई हैव टू गिव सपोर्ट टू माय सन. अच्छा, और आप कैसा, आपका उम्र? नहीं अभी. मैं बोला इतना पैसा तो आ गया, अभी क्यों आपको इतना मर मर के जाना? बेटा आगे आने वाली पीढ़ी के लिए कमा के रखना है ना. हाँ, आगे सब निकम्मे हैं, आपको ही कमा के रखना पड़ेगा. मनी मन सोचा, कुछ बोला. अच्छा, कंटिन्यू जाओ. They don't have time to do one mala also. एक भगवान का नाम लेने के लिए टाइम नहीं होता. हाँ जाएंगे ना आप, हाँ हेलो 1000 रुपया 5000 रुपया दे देंगे. That is passion. That is charity in the mode of passion. मगर they are not interested in devotion because they don't realize the value of devotion. The value of devotion is mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita, but सब लोग हाथ रख के कसम खाते हैं. मैं जो भी कहूँगा सच कहूँगा, कुछ नहीं कहूँगा. पर उस अंदर क्या सच है वो तो देखो. सिर्फ पिक्चरों में देखते हैं ना, सब लोग हाथ रख के कसम खाते हैं, बट अंदर क्या सच है पहले खोलो, पढ़ो, read it, then you will realize what is the actual truth. What are we supposed to do? What are we supposed to execute? And what are we supposed to achieve? If we don't realize that, otherwise you can keep running like one donkey sees another donkey running. I always tell this, I have a corporate lecture. I give this joke. Once, as usual, donkey with a washerman. गधा किसके पास रहता है? धोबी के पास. हर कहानी में इसे. तो गधा था, धोबी था. गधा बेचारा बहुत, वो धोबी उसके ऊपर वजन लाद के, used to dump weight on it. The donkey used to carry that weight, go to the riverside. There he used to wash those clothes. Again now with water it has become still heavier. Again he used to dump it on the donkey. The donkey used to, great pain and labor. He used to get the. So there's another donkey, intelligent donkey. It was a freelancing donkey. That is the definition of freelancing. You don't have one master. So he was a freelancing donkey. Well, I say enjoying life, king size. He felt pity on this donkey. He came and said, गधे, तू अपना जमात का नाम बिगाड़. वाकई में अपना नाम बिगाड़. Why? देख तू इतना काम कर. Morning to night you are working like a donkey. And in the end, what do you get? Some grass. See, look, that is freely available on the riverside. Look at me, I don't do any work. I go, eat the grass, enjoy, dance here and there, and I'm relaxed. and this was a corporate donkey. He immediately told him, "You think I am working for the grass? No, I am not working for the grass. What are you working for? I got higher goals in life. I'm not like you, just eating some grass and lying around here and there. I got some higher goals in life." So, what is your goal? Last week only my boss was telling me, he was shouting at his daughter, "तू ऐसी करती रहेगी ना, इस गधे के साथ तेरी शादी करा दूँ." Don't worry, we are also like those guys, that donkey. एक उम्मीद है कुछ अच्छा होगा, इसके लिए इस धरती में पड़े हैं, भगवान को छोड़ के भौतिक चीजों से प्यार करते हुए पड़े हैं. We love material things, material enjoyment, material pleasure, just with the fact that one day I will be able to lord over it, I will be able to enjoy it. People spend their entire lifetime building an empire. And when they realize they can't enjoy, मैं मेरे बेटे के लिए किया, मैं अपने लिए नहीं किया. He knows he has no life left to enjoy. So immediately he will put it and the other son will come. And then he will sit. He will enjoy. Generally it is told, first generation makes, second generation builds up, third generation finishes it. It's a general. So, this is what the benefit God gives you. First and foremost, you are not forced to work. You are already given a transcendentalist family. And last but not the least, you are given the time and there is no necessity for you to go to earn your bread and butter. सोचो ये किसको दिया गया है? जो फेल हो. तो बात सुनने वाले का अगर समझो एक कंसोलेशन प्राइज इतना अच्छा है. जस्ट इमेजिन यू गो इनटू अ कॉन्टेस्ट एंड कॉन्टेस्ट में आपने पहले का भाग सुना नहीं, यू वेंट लेट एंड दे आर अनाउंसिंग कंसोलेशन प्राइज फ्री ट्रिप टू स्विट्जरलैंड. आपको क्या लगेगा? This should be the first prize, right? This is the consolation prize. So first, second, third, क्या रहा है? We cannot imagine if from this we can calculate if failing in devotion में कितना फायदा है तो win करने में कितना फायदा हो. How much of benefit we can have in completing devotion and what will be the real realm of happiness and enjoyment. Here the word Lord himself is saying you enjoy unlimited happiness. So it's time that we make our devotion more stronger, more focused, more aligned with a sure short goal. Yes, हमको अगले जन्म तक वेट नहीं करना. क्यों? यहाँ इस धरती पे आओगे, भले ही आप अमीर घर में रहोगे, राइटियस फैमिली पे रहोगे, but then the Tapatraya, the three Tapatrayas are going to trouble you at every place. So, an intelligent person should not make a resolution, I'll go for 80-80. No. I should clear. अगला इसके लिए मत रखो. क्या अगला जन्म में प्रॉब्लम इज आप राइटियस फैमिली में हो, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज कुंती माता सेज जन्म ऐश्वर्य श्रुति श्रीवी एदमान मदपुमान नैव हत्या अविता तुम्बे त्वाम अकिंचन गोचर. He says one who has got Janma, Aishwarya, Shruti and Shri. Whoever has got these four things, Janma, Aishwarya, Shruti, Shri. Now what is Janma, Aishwarya, Shruti, Shri? जिसके पास अच्छे खानदान में जन्म लिया है. ऐश्वर्य जिसके पास बहुत सारा ऐश्वर्य. श्रुति, श्रुति मतलब बहुत सारा ज्ञान है, बहुत पढ़ लिया, बहुत वेद पाठ कर लिया, डॉक्टर इंजीनियर बन गया. That is also an impediment. And Shri, Shri means money. जिसके पास लॉट ऑफ पैसा है, उसका भक्ति के ऊपर रुझान ऑटोमेटिकली कम हो जाए. क्लोज डोर. उसका भक्ति पे रुझान अपने आप तो उसका अपने आप रुझान कम हो जाएगा. He will not be inclined towards devotion. Why? Devotion for many people it's like it's a poor man's job. It's not a rich man's job. A rich man enjoys an opulent life. I got a yacht. I got a farmhouse, house in Dubai. Inherently, every one of you, whenever you go through a magazine or an ad, काश अपना भी दुबई में ऐसा होता. हाँ शिव होता ना. So remember that these allurements can come in any birth. This birth you did devotion. It's not necessary next birth you will surely do it. You will get some allurement. You may get sucked into that and lose this advantage. हालांकि भगवान ने इसके पहले श्लोक में कहा है कि जो भक्ति करता है, जिसने अच्छा किया हो उसके साथ कभी दुर्गति नहीं होती है. बट you cannot play with it. You can't take chances with it. That is why what should be our focus? When this failures can get this, why should we settle for less? Let's go for more. Let's go for something higher. Let's go to transcend this cycle of birth and death. Get out of the cycle of birth and death. And then that enjoyment will be undescribable by words. ये तो श्लोक से भगवान ने बोल दिया कि भाई आप एंजॉय करोगे, अच्छे खानदान में घर में पैदा होगे, ये करोगे वो करोगे, बट फिर भी ऐसा जन्म मिलना अच्छी बात है. बट कंपेयर टू दिस, द मिनट यू टेक योर स्पिरिचुअल बॉडी इन द स्पिरिचुअल realm, let's say in Vaikuntha or in Goloka or in Saket Dham, you will be in a different degree of enjoyment which will be crores and crores of times better. पास होने वाले को तो क्या 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 नहीं मिलता है, और फेल होने वाले को, एंड वो भी पास होने वाला विथ फ्लाइंग कलर्स विथ हाई मार्क्स, उसका क्या होगा? उसको तो बहुत मिलेगा, राइट? फ्लाइंग मार्क्स. सो एटलीस्ट वी शुड ट्राई टू कम विथ फ्लाइंग कलर्स. दिस शुड नॉट बी अवर गोल. बस कई बार मैं ये क्लास लेता हूँ, प्रभु जी बोले अच्छा है, फेलियर में अच्छा है, इतना फायदा है, हाँ? जीवन के साथ भी, जीवन के बाद भी. कई लोग ये सोचते हैं अरे जीवन में भी मजा है, अच्छा है ना, प्रसाद खाने को मिलेगा, अच्छा नाचेंगे कूदेंगे, भक्ति थोड़ा बहुत कर लेंगे. प्रभु जी बोलते हैं माला करो, ठीक है, थोड़ा माला में कटौती, हाँ हम लोग कटौती करते हैं. बिकॉज वेन यू डू ट्रू डिवोशन, अच्छा देयर इज वन मोर कैच टू दिस. दोज हु डू प्योर डिवोशन, फॉर देम ऑल्सो देयर आर ब्राइट चांसेस ऑफ टेकिंग बर्थ अगेन. प्योर भक्ति जो भगवान के साथ हैं, भगवान के साथ लीला कर रहे हैं, उनका भी चांसेस होता है वापस जन्म लेने का. आप बोलेंगे फिर प्रभु जी हमारा तो फिर टिकट ही खड़ी है. हाँ? नहीं. I'll give you a small story from the Shastra. This is from Ram Katha. Ram Katha. After the war is over, सब रावण मर गया, सब आ गए, राम दरबार लगा हुआ है अयोध्या में. जनक महाराज सेंट वन लेटर कि भाई आप युद्ध जीत के आ गए, तो दामाद जी आप पधारिए, हमारी बेटी को भी लेके आइए, और साथ में आपके सारे जो मित्रगण हैं, सेना है, जो वानर सेना थी, ऑल द मंकीज हु हेल्प यू इन द वॉर, ऑल ऑफ यू कम, द वेलकम. When this letter came, Ramchandra ji told Hanuman, read the letter. Hanuman read the letter loud and clear. Everyone heard. All the monkeys started jumping. अरे अभी मालपुआ खाने मिलेगा, रबड़ी खाने मिलेगा. ससुराल में जाएंगे तो फिर थोड़ा बहुत तो दामाजी की खातिरी होगी, तो दामाजी के साथ जिसको आएगा उसको भी तो कुछ ना कुछ एंजॉयबल रहेगा. हाँ, तो कुछ ना कुछ एंजॉयबल रहेगा. सो fine, immediately everyone said. So Ramchandra said, sorry, I cannot take anyone. So the monkeys asked, why? They were all become sad. Why can't you take me? Why don't you take us, all of us? No, see, you are monkeys. You behave like monkeys. कि कूदना, छीनना, आप बंदर को खाना खिलाओ, ऐसा हाथ में लेके, प्लेट में लेके नहीं खाए, वो छीन गए. So you got that thing, and मेरा ससुराल में मेरा नाक नहीं कटना चाहिए. And all the monkeys were sad, and Jamban saw all of them. Jamban felt, नहीं, एक काम करो, I will do one thing. I take a guarantee that they will not do anything wrong. मैं guarantee देता हूँ. जामन बोला, तो भगवान रामचंद्र जी बोले, show me one demo. तो सब लोग दिखाया, सबके सामने दिखाया. जामवन जी बैठे ऐसे खड़े रह गए, सब बंदर भी ऐसे. What Jamwan does, just follow it. That's it. See the military, they all march in one, turn in one, one speed and one thing and so. Jamwan just look like this. Jamwan cough, they also cough. Hanuman ji, Ramchandra said, okay, chalo, let's go. He took them to Vrindavan, I'm sorry, अयोध्या लेके, I'm sorry, मिथिला लेके गए. मिथिला में जाके सब लोग बैठ के आराम से relaxed. So now everyone was like conscious that we should not do anything wrong. And Jamwan has like strict instruction. So everyone was sitting and सबके सामने चौकी रखी गई, उसके ऊपर सोने का थाली, दाल, मालपुआ, खीर, रबड़ी, और nothing. All were just silent. Jamwan looked at everyone. Then he just took some jal. He sipped it. Then he took the pranaswaya, apanaswaya, mahanaswaya, sab khaya. Then he put dal, they also put dal. He put kadhi, he also put kadhi. He had roti, they also had roti. Well, they didn't use their brain at all. कि भाई जो कर रहे हैं आपको खा. इतने में सबको फ्रूट भी दिया, उसमें से एक आम का फ्रूट दिया. जामवन टुक वन आम का फ्रूट एंड ऐसा दबाया, कुछ हो नहीं रहा. पट करके दूर से भाया तो गुठली ऊपर उठ गई. एंड जामवन गॉट एंग्री. मेरे हाथ से बड़े बड़े राक्षस नहीं बचे, ये गुठली कैसे भागा? He jumped to catch. That was a triggering signal for the monkeys. They also jumped. Everyone jumped. Everyone jumped, and then then there was total chaos. Some monkey came and took Janak Maharaj also. Janak Maharaj is wondering, baap re, kya sena hai pura. That whole mahal was laced with kheer, rabdi, malpua, this and that. Total chaos. Jamwan was like, what do I do? I mean, he had to cut a sorry figure. And Ramchandra ji was like, मैं क्या करूँ ससुर जी के सामने, मतलब नाक कट रही है. इतने में Janak Maharaj said, such a loving people they got, they have come to the true colors after they have been released. I really love your army, and he embraced Ramchandra ji. This Jamwan was seeing. Wow, what a nice way he is embracing him. A real father-in-law and son-in-law's embracement. He said, I wish I could also embrace God. What did he say? I wish I could also, like a father-in-law, embrace a son-in-law like him. Mind, not any Tom, Dick and Harry. A son-in-law like Lord. Ramchandra ji understood his heart. When he was going back, he told, Jamwan, you wanted to embrace me like a father-in-law, right? But in this yuga, it is not possible. In Dwapar Yuga, I will come. We will have Veerras also, and there I will marry your daughter and embrace you as a father-in-law. So many a times, don't think, devotees only think of one goal, getting out of the cycle of birth and death. Stay wherever God is there. जहाँ जहाँ भगवान है, भगवान का अस्तित्व है, वहाँ पे भी भगवान के साथ लीला करने में आनंद ही आनंद है. So, इसके लिए भी भक्ति दृढ़ होना जरूरी है. So, my only humble request to all of you all is, make your devotion stronger, firmer and resolute. You've got to change this. अगर आप लोग खुश हैं KG level में तो fine. But if you want to progress in life and devotion, you've got to make it more resolute and more focused. With this, I'd like to close today's class. We'll discuss next time. Anybody has got any doubts, questions?